What's up? Kaikane Smith here once again. Greetings from Saitama, Japan. Just out here doing a few high-level and high-paying private classes. This morning's episode is about, do you need to be a grammar junkie if you want to be a private English teacher overseas? And the correct answer is no. But, as I said before, you should already know most of what English grammar is all about simply because you are a native English speaker. You should be an expert anyway because you are the one who is teaching the language and you are the one who moved to Shanghai or to Tokyo or to wherever to become an elite English instructor. For example, you would think that if Mrs. Lee from Seoul asked you what a prepositional phrase means and you can't answer, then you would make yourself look pretty damn dumb, right? Of course. I've sadly seen time and time again when a clueless and inexperienced English teacher who thought they knew it all, in fact knew jack because one of their students had asked them that ever so dreaded trick question such as the one I just mentioned. For example, why is "and" used instead of "ah"? They couldn't answer, were completely flabbergasted and left looking like the village idiot. Of course it comes as a wake-up call, which in turn will make you want to brush up heavily on your grammar science so that you don't make the same mistakes again. The lesser you know about English, the fewer students you will have. Do know your grammar and brush up on it before you even consider making English teaching abroad a career for a short-term or long-term basis. See you later, and be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, know where the best places are to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. All of you have an awesome day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I'm here for you, and hopefully you can make as much money as me someday doing a job that you love. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.